my previous videos on question tags, I have explained the rules regarding the usage of question tags. If the sentence is negative, question tag is to be positive. So to know whether a sentence is negative, you have to know the negative words. So not, the word not is a negative word. I am not late. It's a negative sentence. So question tag is positive. Am I? Suppose the question is positive. I am late. Then question tag is aren't I? Not aren't I. Aren't I? So this is not the only negative word. There are so many negative words in English language. No, not, never, none, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere, hardly, barely, rarely, scarcely, seldom, few, little. So few is a negative word. Now, few people came to the party. Say negative sentence. So question tag is positive. Did they? So here came, past tense. So to be careful to use past tense here. Did, then pronoun is they. If few people came. Few people came to the party. So question tag is did they? Then question. So you have to put the question mark. So here comma, because your sentence is not complete, so you should not put full stop here. Few people came to the party. Did they? Now see this sentence. A is there in front of few. So a few people came to the party. Now this is a positive sentence. When A is there, then it is a positive sentence. So the question tag is negative. A few people came to the party. Question tag is didn't they? She shows little appreciation of good music. Let us see how to use question tag for this. Little is a negative word. Then it's a present tense. Then singular. So the question tag to be used is does, because of this present tense, and negative word. So positive question tag. Then does she? Here pronoun to be used is she, because here the subject is she. So does she? Say positive question tag because of the negative word. Now she shows a little appreciation of good music. Because of this A, now it becomes a positive sentence. So question tag is doesn't she? So here you have to be careful because little, a little. This is a negative, this is positive. Another sentence. They invited nobody. So here negative word, nobody. So question tag is to be positive. Then invited, past tense. So did they? So you have to see the subject. They invited nobody. Because of this past tense, did. Here it is does. Present tense. Here past tense. So did they? It's a negative sentence. Question tag is positive. John hardly ever studies. So here hardly ever. It's a negative word. So question tag is to be positive. Here subject is John. present tense. So does he? Here negative sentence. So question tag is positive. You will come across questions based on question tags in various competitive examinations. This is an example. Everybody is happy. What is the question tag? Here is it's a positive sentence. So question tag is to be negative. These two options are negative. Is they, are they, isn't they, aren't they. So when you see is, chance is you may think that it is isn't they. Then it's mistake. Here is, because everybody is a singular subject. So here is. But the pronoun of this everybody is they. So correct option is aren't they. Seeing this is, you may think isn't. No, it is, because the pronoun to be used is they. The pronoun for this everybody is they. Then sentence is positive. So question tag is to be negative. So aren't they. So correct question tag is aren't they. So this is a confusing sentence, because everybody is a singular subject. So here it is. But when we use question tag, it is to be aren't they, because of this pronoun. Pronoun for everybody is they. Nobody was present in time. So let us see the question tag. Nobody is a singular subject, so was. It's a positive sentence, so question tag is to be negative. Then pronoun to be used is they. So they is a plural subject. So it is weren't they. Here nobody singular, so was. But when we form the question tag, pronoun to be used is they. So it is to be weren't they. Now, everybody wants to be happy. Present tense. Then singular subject. But the pronoun to be used is here also they. So don't they. So here present tense, then positive. So negative question tag, don't they, because the pronoun for everybody is they. So don't they. Everybody stood up. So here it is past tense. Then positive sentence. So question tag is didn't they. Here present tense. So don't they. Positive. This is also positive. So question tag is negative. Since it is past tense, didn't they. Since it is present tense, don't they. So you have to be careful whether it is present tense or past tense, and positive or negative. Both the sentences are positive. So question tag is negative. Everyone has attended the conference. So this is a positive sentence. So question tag is to be negative. So we cannot say hasn't they. Here auxiliary verb is has. So present perfect tense, has attended. So it cannot be hasn't they, because the pronoun for everyone is they. There is a plural subject. So here we have to say haven't they. So here sentence is positive, so question tag is negative. One should not be too strict. So this is a negative sentence. So question tag is to be positive. Should one. So here we can use this one, because here one is used as a pronoun. So question tag is should one. Here you can see one girl has telephoned him. So here subject of the sentence is girl, not this one. So here question tag is hasn't she. Here it is positive sentence. So question tag is to be negative. So hasn't she. Because here subject is girl. So pronoun for girl is she. Then positive sentence. So question tag is negative. So hasn't she.